AMR Stock, super interesting. Am I buying? Am I not? Watch this very short 1 minute video till the end to find out. Briefly, just looking at Alpha Metallurgical Resources, which is gonna be the name of the day for sure. It's 1.5% down. In this particular instance, man, like it kind of kept crashing, and what I'm not gonna do here is just come out here and just try to tell you to buy or sell. No, look, I've done 40,000 videos, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. In this particular instance, what I'm gonna do is I'll mark up the supply zone, and the only thing that will matter for real is if there's a full candle close on the daily chart above 134.42. It's crucial. That's the first pillar. Second pillar is if, again, it's a supply zone, so if there's like even a double break, say sell side will not fly away from me. I'm just gonna stick to something that's worked for me. This is by no means financial advice, and if you want to learn how I'm consistently generating 5 to 10k per month without indicators, then just click the first link in the description, get my free emails. Goodbye.